Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video we logged in into Spotify and found out the tag for ads. In this video we are going to remove the ads and make the code into an executable. If a equals to 1, it will refresh the page, print 3, wait for 10 seconds, quit the driver and breaks out of the loop. Near if shuffle is displayed we have to put else break and break. Run the code. You can see that the shuffle is getting enabled if it's disabled. And when an ad gets played, it refreshes the page and closes the driver after 10 seconds. Let's remove the pass and put the second try in it. Let's remove everything after the refresh command. Remove the delays in the playing and shuffling part of the code. Define a function play and put the playing part of it in it. Define a function shuffling and put this in it. Remove the print and else break and put play function and break in it. Put a delay of around 1 second and put function shuffling in try and pass in except. In the if command, put function play and shuffle in it and put it in while true try and put pass in except and put a delay of around 1.5 seconds. Put a delay and driver.quit in the if command. I wrote the following part for testing purposes. Run the code. As you can see, the song starts playing, shuffle gets enabled. And if an ad gets played, it refreshes the page, starts the song and enables shuffle. In the following expects, put no such element exception, so that it will only come out of the loop when it is not no such element exception. This is being done to end the code and close the Chrome driver when the browser is closed, so that it will break out of the loop and driver.quit will get executed. In function play, uncomment the string part and put the whole code in try. In except, put pass and at the end put driver.quit. This is being done to close the program if we close the browser. Change the variable a to d and put this part of the code in another while loop with the condition d equals to 0. Put a equals to 0 inside this while loop. Put break after a equals to 1. And put d equals to 1 before the break in that except, as if we put after break it won't get executed. Put this part of the code in the first while loop by using shift tab. In the if statement with condition d equals to 1, put break. Put this part of the code in try. Put break after shuffling and put the except to the first try. And put d equals to 1 in this except and break. Let's run the code to test if everything works properly. As you can see, the song is playing, shuffle is enabled and it refreshes the page when the ad comes. In command prompt, go to the directory where you have the code, type pyinstaller one file, W for removing the terminal, I for icon. You can place your icon here, and at last the Python file. In the folder you can see that it has created many files. You only need the executable. You don't have to allow access. As you can see, the song is playing as shuffle is enabled. It refreshes the page and it started playing the song. Like it if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it. Thank you for watching.